Hey everyone, I am back. So sorry for, taking like a month off, but I really needed to focus on some other things in my life. And I'm super excited to be back and get right back into it and begin sharing my art, my techniques, and answering all your questions and all that again. So first up here we have another Amidala painting that I did actually paint back when I was preparing for the May the 4th show at the Zapao Gallery. And things just got so hectic in my life that I did not have the time to get this one out. And here we go, finally catching up on it. So a big part of the reason I needed to take a month off was that May is birthday month for literally everybody I know. So my boyfriend is a week before me, my roommate is 2 days before him, all of our friends are kind of all in May, so I would say at least 70% of my friend group, including myself, have May birthdays. So that was a big part of why I just needed to kind of stop and not stress about completing art and just let myself enjoy the month, celebrate my friends, celebrate my life, and just enjoy. But to be completely honest, my life is incomplete without painting and without having a constant flow of art coming out of me. So I'm really happy to be back in my studio. It's been a fun month, but definitely missing a huge chunk of my soul. So here I am, getting back into it by editing this video, and really hoping that this week I'll finish something else I've been working on, and also start a bunch of new ideas that have been rolling around in my mind for a while that I'm so ready to actually complete and get down on some sort of medium to share with everybody. So this video, I don't really have any sort of plan here. I'm just winging it. I felt like, why not? It's been a while. Let's just see what comes out of my mouth organically. So just to talk a little bit about this painting. This painting was the third in my Amidala series for the May the 4th show. Oh, if you hear that barking in the background, it's just my new puppy. We got a new puppy and it's really amazing. I love him, but he's in a handful, and it's probably him barking at the cat because he still really wants to be best friends with the cat, and the cat is not so sure about him. So anyway, so for Queen Amidala, I want to say that this is the painting that I was most terrified of doing, but it just came out so naturally. I think I finally am really happy with where I'm at as far as watercolors go. So it really is just about practice. Don't be afraid. Get right on in there. You're probably going to suck a bunch at the beginning, and then you'll start seeing the improvements. So that's what happened with me in this painting, and it's probably my favorite in the series. So yeah, just wanted to share it with you guys. And the show was awesome. I did actually get to go to the show, and it was really cool. They had, the Zapao Gallery now has a beer and wine license, so they have a whole tap room and coffee roaster room, so that when you're walking around the gallery looking at all the cool stuff, you can also enjoy a drink and enjoy a coffee. So whatever your poison is, I tend to really enjoy coffee. So yeah, it was really an awesome show. It was also the anniversary of Zapao. So if you guys are in the Asheville area, I do totally recommend stopping by Zapao, checking out all the amazing artists there. I'm there, but there are so many others. Totally worth checking out. And yeah, it was a really cool show. I have no idea if my pieces have sold, but so many pieces sold the first night while I was there. And it was really cool. So it's just awesome to see so many people gathering around local art and just making a huge community out of it. Zapal Gallery has done such an amazing job at that. So, you'll notice, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what's happening in my video right now. I placed that little crystal there so that I could then use my brush like the hands of a clock and plot out with my brush the angle, and I would have the crystal as my trajectory, so that when I was doing my lines I didn't get off course, so they all had that perfect rotary starburst kind of angle. So that's just another little trick, a little artist hack. So yeah. So now that I'm back, guys, I really... Oh, what is she doing there? Okay, so the reason that the other Amidala is there is because in my last video, not a single person noticed this, but I forgot to put her iconic dots. So she popped in so that I could finish her properly. So guys, let me know what you want to see more of now that I'm back. I've got a lot of ideas, but I want to hear yours too, and I will be happy to do them. If you want more watercolor tutorials, let me know. I'm excited to do more oil painting on wood, so that's definitely coming up soon. Yeah, just happy to be back, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know anything you want to see, and yeah, keep your eye out. I'll be back trying to do every Friday again now that I'm back at it. Alright guys, love you. Bye.